Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Amanda and this is Miles you're looking at. We are exploring Tom's Creek Falls, which is a 7-minute drive from our hip campsite from our last video. If you haven't checked that out, be sure to do that now. Come explore with us.
So guys, first I'm going to take you on the adventure.
Oh. All right. And we're dirty and wet. He's losing it. What's that logo on your shirt? Are they your favorite YouTubers?
No, not my favorite YouTubers. Guys, we gotta run.
Why? What's wrong?
Because the bear.
What bear?
That bear over there.
Run.
Now you have to come with me.
Oh, I'm gonna be behind you.
Now you have to
Film. Oops. Cameraman? Camera Amanda? Oh yeah.
Guys, we made it. Are you okay?
I'm okay. Are you okay?
I am never supposed to show who the cameraman is.
Hey!
Run.
Bear. But you never want to run from a bear, right? If you see one? You want to, what do you do when you see a bear?
Slow.
No. You have to make yourself large and loud so it scares them away. So they're like afraid of you.
Well,
But if you show fear, they're going to be like, oh, I'm coming. I'm going to come chase you.
I'm scared.
Just like our little chihuahua. I just see a beautiful waterfall. I don't see a bear. I said, I just see a beautiful waterfall. I don't see a bear. Oh no! That's a bear. Oh, look at all this moss. It's so pretty.
Go, Mommy!
You gave away my identity. Remember, you're not supposed to give away my identity of the cameraman. Just go explore that now? It's an easy 0.4 mile trail. Pretty easy.
Go!
Perfect for 6-year-old boys, clearly. He's not too tired, right? Not too bad. You can get a little wet and dirty in there too. I will let you know the name of this trail in just a second. It has slipped my mind. Carter Creek? Carter Falls? Something like that. See a little glimpse of the waterfall right there. Yeah, it's from Hurricane Helene, probably. This area got torn apart. Just opened back up. You put it on mine.
So guys, get all of the lights so we can teleport.
Yeah,
so the
like-
wheels get stales away.
Like and subscribe so that we can teleport.
So the bill gets scaled away.
We should bring some of this wood back, huh?
Guys, thank you.
Thank you. Teleportation activated. This is nice though. Very nice. What? What's that? Is it a deer? Strange. All right. Let's walk 0.4 miles back to our little parking spot. You gotta hold it still though. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is Mommy Outdoors.
No, Miles Outdoors.
Miles Outdoors behind the camera. We are at a waterfall. We just hiked 0.4 miles.
Yeah, hi guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video because it's gonna get even better.
Because Mommy just got laid off
Yeah,
due to a company-wide reorg.
It's gonna get even better.
It's gonna get even better.
So we're gonna take her in the car.
We're gonna go
I'll see you there.
on a little sabbatical
Oh,
for a
look at
couple
the
weeks.
butterfly.
So follow along with us. See where we end up next week.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mostly in North Carolina,
Hi guys.
maybe South Carolina.
Wait, stop. But we're still here. We just paused the video for a second. So let's get right back to it.
Let's get back to it.
And I'm gonna be the cameraman this time, okay?
Aim it at the trail, okay?
Just like that.
Yep. Just hold it straight.
So so what are we doing
Just like
today?
hold it straight.
So what are we doing today, Mommy?
We are going to walk back to our car and head back to the campsite.
Nice.
Yeah. Trudge through some water.
And this is good, guys. This is a really good video. So let me have it back.
It's gonna be some adventures happening.